Well, here we are again, slightly on this other side of the road now. I'm standing in about 3 inches of water, and I'm in no danger. But you can see over there in the river plantation. And far over there, straight ahead, you'll see a street sign which says bicycle only. That's where the tennis courts were. And this whole area is completely inundated with water. I've never seen it come over the bridge like this. This is amazing. And these poor folks over in River Plantation, it looks like, in this section of River Plantation, it looks like the water is probably in the patio, but I don't know if it's gotten inside. There's a few inches above.